कितने खाते हो दिन में?
10-15 की करें।
भैया दिन में 15। भैया दिन में 15 ताल गुड़ खा जाते हैं समझे। Super hydrating, fleshy, juicy. I'm talking about ice apples or Tadgola, which is Mumbai's or rather India's favorite summer fruit. Let's check this out. This is the Tadgola. It is known to be a very traditional ancient Indian fruit grown on tall trees along the coastal region in India. So this is actually how we find it on the trees. We break it from the tall trees. In Mumbai it is found near Palghar, from where our bhaiya has actually got it. From outside the texture is just like the coconut, how the coconut shell is, and from inside it is supposed to be extremely juicy and sweet. This is something which is 100% Indian. One of the rarest, most exotic fruits in South Asia is in India, which is this tar gold. इसका क्या सीजन होता है?
सिर्फ एक ही महीना है, गर्मी टाइम पे एक में आएगा।
I'm told it's a summer fruit bursting with goodness and lots of good nutrition. So let's try this out. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to peel the outer covering like this, and this reveals the juicy flesh which is inside. Wow, it looks just like lychee. The texture is pretty soft and juicy, and the best thing is the taste. Trust me, the taste is just like, sweet tender coconut. Yes, that sweet taste which we all love, it comes from this juicy flesh. So good. Can you see the water inside? तो भैया बोल रहे हैं इसके अंदर का पानी एक नंबर है. Let me see. Wow, so sweet is this. We go to fancy places to have ice creams, shakes, fancy drinks to cool ourselves down. Guys, this is something which is 100% Indian. One of the rarest, most exotic fruits in South Asia is in India, which is this tar gold. So come and enjoy this Indian treat this summer.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.